I'm Dr. Deuk Majan. I'm here with one of my patients who traveled from Wisconsin. You came here because you had problems with your lower back. He was having back pain. He had pinched nerves as well due to spinal stenosis, causing his leg to hurt, his knee to hurt. And you underwent the Deuk Laser Disc Repair. We went in with a minimally invasive small incision, and we cleaned up the herniations that were pinching nerves and causing the back pain. How do you feel today?
I feel wonderful. I have no pain. The pain that I had hours before the operation was still there, but today I can walk around really very well, and I'm just ecstatic. It's very good.
Are you glad you came to Deuk Spine Institute?
Yes, yes. You can look at the videos and you can believe them all. None of them are fake, just like mine right now. I'm not paid to do this at all. I'm just happy that I got it done here.
How did you find out about Deuk Spine Institute?
I actually have a friend up in Michigan that had a lot of back problems. We were talking and I told him my symptoms and he said, you ought to go see this guy. That's when I looked up your videos on YouTube. I was convinced my options were to get these painful injections in my back or an operation. The surgeon himself told me if I did the operation, it would be done by 2 specialists, and he wasn't sure it would be right after.
He discouraged you basically from having invasive spine surgery, correct?
Yes. And everyone I know that has had it has had none but continuing problems with it. More or less to my last resort. And I said, well, this is my option. I want to try it because I was convinced by other people and your videos that this was the way to go. And I am so happy I did it.
I'm so happy you're happy. Is there anything you want to say to your friends and family out there?
All I got to say is, man, I'm in good shape, and I've got 2 projects with cars. You both know about them, with the 47 and the 64 pickup. I can't lift everything that I want to do yet, but I know I'm going to get it done by spring. I wasn't able to do anything all this winter, so they've been in the garages and sitting there waiting for me to finish them, and we're going to do it. But this was a wonderful facility. The people are very professional, and all the equipment and things are here are the same as what I see when I had other operations, and it's just a great experience.
Wonderful. Thank you so much for sharing your experience. And safe travels. Enjoy the launch.
Yes. Thank you, doctor.
Yes, sir.